Welcome back, guys. Muhammad Abdullah here. I am working on the project. I think why not? I will share with you this project. So basically, this is a restaurant management system. You can say this is for the resort. So now I am working on the add meal times. Okay, the basic concept of is, for example, we have lunch, dinner. So in the dinner we have three milestone. We have three meals time. Okay, so now I am working on meals time and time slot. Okay, so I will show you. So this is my route file. Okay, I am also working that I before mentioned that thing. So hope you have a core knowledge of the Node.js and Mongos, and like how to make routes middleware, like this type of thing before. So I already made create time slot. Okay, so this is I made, and now let's just try this. My server is running, so just send the request. See, so unauthorized token, we have to first log in. Only admin can create the time slot. Okay, so this is admin. Okay, so now we can, I think, create the time slot. So if we go here and create, so time slot is created. Okay, so here you can see data, time slot. This is starting and ending time, and this is id. Okay, is blocked. For example, we can block some specific, what you say, one specific time slot, or one specific time in the meal. So this is initially we make is false. So this is the model, user model. No, we don't need user model. This is time slot model, only starting time, end time, and is blocked. Okay, so what's they are saying? Okay, token is expired. So this is update time slot. So here we are supposed to get one id and one body. Okay, so this is my update time slot. So here time slot, update time slot, this is route, and this is the query or params, you can say. So for that we need this id. Okay, and just paste is here after clones. Okay, now I want to change a time. Before is 1 o'clock and 3. So now I want to change is 14 to 15, only for 1 minute. So let's see what happened. Is it doing or not doing? I don't think so. It's work. Let's check. Update time slot. Okay. So it's not working. I don't know why. So this is patch update time slot, and I think here we don't need this one. Let's check. Update user. So initially we don't need colon here. Okay, this. So I am also in learning stage, so I will show you how I am doing. Okay, now let's try again. Still not anything going to be changed. Okay, let's try to fix it out. Why it's not working? So I think we need to remove this one. Okay, so the problem is we are facing problem in this route. Okay, so we need to check first this route, why this route is not working. So this is, we are going getting the authorized admin required type. Okay, and auth middleware, this is the rest thing, this is other thing. So you guys can found the mistake. This is the function. We have to run this function. Okay. Now hope so we can create its work. Let's try again. Now the starting time is greater than the ending time. Let's see what will happen. It's work. That's not a good. Okay, so there is one mistake we found. Okay, but now it's work. So now let's go here, time slot controller. Here we are also checking starting time and ending time, but it's not working. Why? Okay, just take it and ChatGPT. So guys, normally if I have something problem, so I am using ChatGPT. This is what I am doing. So it's up to you. If you like, if you are using ChatGPT, you can use. If you don't want to use, you can. It's up to you. But because I am not doing these things, I have a lot of other work. So I try to fix. But if you are using ChatGPT, so it's very necessary you have the basic ideas, what you are going to build and what you are doing. Then you can achieve easily. Okay. Then take this also. So So hope so you guys get the point what he's trying to say. Just copy this thing. Okay, just copy. Okay, so initially what I am doing, I just go and paste here. Okay, then we'll check if it's working, and we can make the function. So what they are doing here, first of all, he is checking valid time, because we are going to follow 24-hour time. Okay, is valid time. So we need to check valid time, start time and end time. 24-hour format we are using. Here we are past the time. For example, we are converting hour into into minutes. Okay, convert total minutes. Then we are comparing here. It's greater than or less than. So hope so now it will work. Okay, so this is my style. Let's check what bad error. Start time must earlier than the end time. Okay, so now our problem is fixed. Okay, so let's check if we give the 15 must be earlier than end time. Okay, so this is, I found the issue, so I resolve in front of you how I am doing, so you will get the idea how to manage this thing, how to do like this type of thing. Okay, so now let's start for 13. Okay, the old time. Okay, so now our time is created. Okay, now it's time to delete the time slot. For the delete the time slot, so now it's time to delete the time slot. Okay, so for that we have to check this is the time. Delete time slot. Here only we need just the ID of the time slot. Okay, so I will show you how we can do this. So first of all, this is our time slot. Okay, so this is the main route, you can say main, and this is a sub route. Okay, so go to the time slot router, just copy this and paste it here. So now our delete router is ready, but what is inside the time slot? So here we are getting time slot ID. Okay, this is automatically generated by the Mongos. By the way, I am using Mongo in my database as a database, and here is checking time slot. Fine, if found time slot. Okay, otherwise time slot not found. Here this is check if time slot linked with any meals time slot. So we have to first unlink, then we need to delete, but this part we will do later on. Here I just delete the time slot. Okay, the time slot deleted successfully. Okay, so this is we can say here yeah. If you want to check so link meal time slot, meal is not defined here. First need to define meal. So the problem is meal is not defined yet. Okay, so this part we will do later on. So here we have time slot. If we found for example here you can see this one. So this is all the time slot, but here we are creating time slot. But if you go there, here this is a restaurant. Okay, restaurant page. So here we have all the time slot. Okay, add meal time. Whenever we click on this add meal time, so we redirect it here. and we select the type of meal, and we create multiple time slots. Okay, here. So it's work like this, like that. So here we, if we select lunch, so there is, they show all the time slot, and there is checkbox. We just check all the time what we are going to offer and what we, okay. For the dinner, almost same. So we click on the dinner, and here we, in the drop down, we have a list of, time slots. Okay, so it's work like this. So if we if our any time slot linked with meal meals, so we are not going to delete directly until we need to unlink the time slot. Okay, so for that we have to make first a time slot. So at the moment we don't have meals, so that's why I uncomment that thing. So here, just go and check. So time slot is deleted. Okay, so the only one thing is pending. Just go here and create one more route, or one more request, you can say. Okay, it's a get request. Get all get all time slot. Okay, so it's a very simple, like to remove all. Get all time slot. Okay, and just copy this one, move here, and okay, so initially we are going to copy, paste. It will be get request, and the router name is, okay. So here there is two middleware. One middleware is auth user. If a user try to do something, so it must be login. Okay, the other middleware is admin middleware, is checking is the user perform any action, it's admin or not. If not admin, we are going to prevent that user. Only admin can perform this type of action. Okay, and this is create time slot. So here we are going to write get all time slot. Okay, just copy and paste here, and go to the time controller. Also paste here. Okay, guys, I am not teaching you how, my teaching method is not well, and I don't have time to do, but what I am doing, hope. Okay, so const time slot, this is async handler. Okay, I will share and tell you this all thing, and next. Okay, okay, so this is the thing we are going to. Okay, now what I am going to do, just copy here, go to the ChatGPT, paste here, and me give me the get all time slot. Okay, so he gave me all the time slots. So he also check optional filter to get block and unblock time slot. So here we don't need anything, we just get all the time slot. Okay, because we are not going to blocked or unblocked, we are just showing all the drop down. Okay, so for that no need this one. And one more thing, so I am using ASYNCSH handler, then no need try catch. Also I want all time slot. So then we can do one more thing, if you guys understand what we can do. So there is a mill whenever we are going to create a time slots. So here still we are getting the is blocked. We have a blocked. So it's up to us. We want the block or unblocked. Okay. So at the moment, I am going to ignore this part. I just want to fetch and just do it. Okay, just these two things. At the moment, I am going to ignore this part because here I don't need block. Here we are going to create the restaurant. Okay, so in that scenario, we are not going to show the block item and this thing. This is where we need to show this block or unblocked here. uh, here we have to show the time and dinner, lunch, dinner. So it's a block. If item is, if the meals time is blocked and the time slot is blocked, so whenever we click on the drop down, this is not coming here, not coming. Okay, so this filter will work here. Okay, but at the moment we are not looking for the reservation, we are looking on the create restaurant. Okay, so this is not need, just this is also no need. Query. Okay, and remove, and just copy and paste here, and it's give us a final version again. No need my. Okay, so let's do it. Get all time slot, meals time controller. Okay, let's check it out. So we have only 3 time slots. Okay, this one, and this one. There is one more time slot we need to create, is blocked. Okay, is blocked slot. For that we need to not put patch and update time slot. We are going to write here block time slot, block time slot. Okay, just copy and paste here, and the copy this one. Okay, just okay. So it's look like this. So here block time slot, block time slot, just copy this one here and paste here. Okay, and go to here and here. Okay, so go here again, chat GPT, give me the control, give me the controller for the block. Okay, so no need. Okay, here. So nowadays I think this thing is not working, so we have to change find and update one. Okay, so this is the function time slot, find one and update and return the new value. So it will work nowadays. That's one. Normally whenever I am trying to do like this, it's not working. Okay, so just copy here and paste here. Okay, so our hope so this thing is working. So just come here and get all time slot, again send. What happened? Block time slot is not defined. We are not defined. Here have block time slot. Okay, and okay, and there is something missing. Okay, so it should be like this. So hope so now it will work. Okay, so this is the ID. Where is the ID? D4D. Okay, now it's not blocked. Now we are going to blocked and unblock, blocked and unblock. Okay, this also change, I think. It should be patch, patch. to see a patch. Okay, block time slot. Prems. Okay, but the problem is there is a problem. If blocked, then we have to, if unblocked, we have to check true, so we need to make it false. If false, then we need to make it true. So how we can check? So this is also need to, if false, then make it true, otherwise make it false if it's already true. Okay, so this thing you can do by you can search, and you have to be lot of knowledge about this thing. You have core knowledge. If you don't have core knowledge, then very difficult. No, it's not. It's blocked. Okay, so you can see we got the time slot prem, and we have a ID. Okay, hope so you know how this query work. Find one and update. So time slot, here we are going to set, this is, you can say, aggregation type of aggregation, the simplest aggregation you can say, or simple. This is one set. So set, what will do set? Not operator. Okay, this is aggregation pipeline. This is the aggregation pipeline we are writing in array, and so in one array there is a lot of aggregation. This is called one aggregation. So we are going to set, okay, is blocked, not operated. It will identify is blocked, then it will be true, otherwise it may take false, like this. Okay, just copy and check it's work or not work. Okay, so just so here we just need a one ID. After that it will do by itself. Okay. Waha. Okay, let's see what will happen if we send this one. So now it's true, right? Get all time slots. So now this is true, the rest it false. Again go again make it, again it make it false. Okay, so this is how we are doing, how we are going to do these things. So at the moment my duty time is start. After duty timing I will be back in afternoon. So goodbye friends.